Welcome to part 9 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, in which you will learn editing shapes in full depth. In Adobe Illustrator, associated with the pen tool is the anchor point tool. With this tool, you can edit points in different ways. Here I have a simple circle shape. With the anchor point tool, click on a curved anchor point. The point turns into a corner anchor point. Now click and drag on this corner anchor point and the tool make it a curved anchor point again. The anchor point tool also allows you to split the handles of a curved point by just clicking on a handle and moving it. The handles will no longer act as they do when using the direct selection tool, and you can move with them independently. Now go back to the pen tool. Watch the cursor closely as you move the pen tool over a point or over a selected line or shape to see what will happen if you click. By clicking on an existing selected line with the pen tool, a point is added. And by clicking on an existing point with the pen tool, that point is deleted. These are all the tools you will need to make and modify shapes. But they do take practice. Draw a simple line and edit it. These exercises may not seem important, but they will help you understand how these points work. You can also turn on the document grid by going to View menu and Show Grid. Now learn the art of drawing with the pen tool. Make it a circle with 2 points by following the 3 steps. Don't worry if it is not perfect, as you can always edit it after you make it. Remember to zoom in a lot when doing exacting work. Make the heart using 2 corner points and 2 curve points. The grid will help you get things symmetrical. Now get that direct selection tool and edit it until you make it as you want. Now is a good time to stop following the directions and strike out on your own to practice the pen tool and the associated editing tool. Draw and edit different shapes like a key, cell phone, paper clip, pen, push pin, car outline, knife, padlock, etc. Practice is a key here. After drawing simple shapes, you should find that you understand how to draw in vectors and it will become much more intuitive. But beware, if you do not do this practice, it will come back to haunt you over and over again. If you need more help and get stuck on something, go to comment section below and I will try to help you with even more cool ideas. You might even learn a few things that were not covered here in this video. That's all in our part 9 of Adobe Illustrator 0 to Hero Complete course, and I hope you all have enjoyed it. By the way, if you have not seen our earlier videos, please take a look. This course is especially designed for those who are brand new to Adobe Illustrator. It covers everything in full detail. Link is given in the description and first comment. Please subscribe if you want to master in Adobe Illustrator. So I will see you in part 10.